Today I'm gonna tell you how to install the most important tool of any hackers. Of course I mean Kali Linux. Hi guys, I'm Ozzy, and if you don't know, and new files on USB flash drive will be lost after each reboot. It is not perfect mode to use Kali Linux. To save in all changes we need to use persistence mode, but before using this one first time we need to select live USB to configure this mode. It is a good idea to display the boot process, and if some applications will slow down the system, we immediately understand which application does so. Well, this system has loaded, and now I will need to change the screen resolution for more comfortable work. It is an options button, then click devices. Open displays and let's find and select resolution of my monitor. So, as you can see, Kali has very beautiful interface. It is an application button. Whoa, it's really amazing. A lot of applications for hacking and pentesting any devices, networks and system. So, but now we need to make the persistence partition. Open the terminal. It's look like command prompt from Windows, but with unlimited functional. Now you'll need to identify the device patch to make the persistence partition. Execute the command fdisk-l and find your USB flash drive. In my case, there are two devices connected to my computer. It is dev SDA and dev SDB. SDA is my hard disk drive where installed Windows. I can determine this by looking at the size of the device. As I already know, my hard disk drive has 1 TB of capacity. USB flash drive which has 8 GB connected to dev SDB. So remember, type fdisk dev SDB to create persistence partition. And type N to create new partition. Then by using default settings, press Enter 4 times. Then type W and press Enter. The message device or resource busy, it's not fault, just ignore this and write part probe.